Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're going to be doing a total wig transformation. So this is the color the wig came in. It's in the color natural, not very black. So we're going to be transforming it into the burgundy color with dark root. So yeah, I'm going to be showing the end result. Yeah, this is the end result of the wig at the end of the day. Please like this video, comment, and also subscribe. So this is the color I'm going to be using for the wig transformation. I'm also using the 12% developer, and I've already gone ahead to kind of like section the hair into portion, just so I get that I separate where I want the root to be black and where I want to be color red. So yeah, this is what you have to do if you want to have a dark root and then the tips another color. You have to section out the hair just like that. So I've already eyeballed the quantity of the powder I'm going to be using, and now I'm pouring some developer into the container to mix up. So I have gone ahead to do the first one, but it's still very thick. The consistency is still very thick, so I'm still pouring more of the developer because I want it to be kind of watery, but not very watery that is running so much, because I want it to take its time to transform to. Because if you make it very thick, then some parts are going to be very bright than the other parts. So just make it very watery so that the color transformation is gradual and it comes out just the way you want it. So next I'm applying the dye onto the hair, and I'm just applying it on the tips because that's where I want to transform. I want it to have some dark roots. So enjoy. If you notice, I'm doing this thing outside. I'm doing the process, the wig transformation outside, because this particular color of dye can be really messy. No matter how careful you think you can do it, you will still get everywhere messed up. So I had to go out to do this. So always be cautious when you're doing this. So when applying your dye, you have to be very fast so that the transformation is uniform and even throughout the hair. So if you want to take your time, then your transformation is not going to be even. So you have to be very fast. And after you're done applying it, you have to comb through the hair just so the dye gets to every strand of the hair as much as possible. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm using my comb, a rat comb, to brush through the hair. So, and also, yeah, I'm just brushing through the hair and applying more of the dye as I go. So the mistake I think I did here was I was concentrating more on the down part, leaving the upper part of it. So if you're doing yours, concentrate more on the upper part of the hair and forget about the down part. Not like forget about the down part, but concentrate more and make sure the front part is has a lot of powder throughout before you can come to the down part of the hair. But I used more of my dye down part, and I didn't concentrate so much on the front. So take note. I hope you're enjoying this video right now. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to share this video also. So as you can see, I'll be using brush shortly to comb through the hair. Okay, now I'm using brush to brush through the hair, because you can use you can use comb, you can use brush, just so the hair gets as much color as it can get. And so yeah, now I've switched over to a bigger comb just so I can get through the hair, I can comb through the hair. So still brushing through the hair just so it's the consistency is even. So now I'm done, and I've used a a polythene bag to cover the hair, just so that the transformation can be fast. So this is how it is after I remove the polythene bag from the hair. So you can notice that I have some strands of color where I want the dark root to be. That's just because I want the flow of the color to be, I don't know how to explain it, not to be sharp. Like, I don't want it to have a sharp edge of black, so I want it to kind of flow down. So I've gone ahead to wash the hair. So this is how it's looking. You can see that the water is still dripping the hair off camera, because washing the hair is very messy and so much color. And yeah, you can see what I did. So now I've washed the hair, so I want to deep condition